Adu ya hoyalam ki aputhak singhason EPHL si atumpen kachisongpon. Korkanti emisia long BJP kangdang amay kangni. Baksa district jalalong suluk sudah katomon kijak.
Aprang si Birta kilara do anopan kardom bajirlo kardom non Birta than je bangsa mi ojang terang pi non arju ikha Birtang tonpe.
Karbi Longri pen Meghalaya adu ya hoyalong long lialam ki aputhak aningkan wangta suluk sudah katomon kijak. Lasongsi kedamtang prinipai sirkep arnita Meghalaya langpang ap khasi pimaratum pen tapadaratum cetengking dut. Laswahut karditang urivel timongta aprandam nang julo. Lasi adu ya hoyalong kirai kong pinangji pupen singhason APHL si atumpen patrupi ponsi long ni ratuwarak kungalong kachisong asai kedengpon. Kedamtang prinipai sirkeparni tapatalong karbi pen cumangatum kaceteng kengdut pen karditang urivel timong apran kedam nang lapen ongdung karbiatum aringahu kisonanga puthak ningduglo pusi APHL sia partia maipu IS retire ja ai katharpen ningjepon. Karbi pen Meghalaya atum kaceteng keng akhir kang tangragahut Asam Pulis atum kacicak dun prongki Karbi atum aphan kirai kom kipi dun dedet ki Asam Gov atum Karbi akhayaphan RD kipi pe mate kirai kom kipi kang tungte apon. Lapian lapuan suluk sodak tang detta Karbi Autonomous Council CEM MP lapian Asam Minister atum ephong ta kahum ridam dedet ki Karbi atum aphan kang jinsu kavi ang teklu pusi APHL sia party maipu IS retire ja ai katharpen ningjipon.
A skirmish between them, and unfortunately one Oriel Timung was killed on that day, and about 18 persons are injured among the Karbis, and among Khasis also about 13 or 14 of them are injured. It is a sad thing that the Assam police were also there, the Meghalaya police were also there, especially the Assam police. They did not take any action. They told the Karbi people that the area at Tapat has been already given to Meghalaya in the give and take policy. But from Assam side, from Karbi side, no one has told. I mean the leaders, the chief executive member, the MLAs and MPs, and the Border Protection Committee headed by Pijus Hazarika, Minister, Otul Bora, Minister, and Chandra Mohan Patwari, Minister. They are leading the Border Protection Committee, but they have not done anything. They have not told the Karbi people that the area has been already given to Meghalaya. So the Karbi people still think that the area still belongs to Karbi Anglong. That is the reason why the Karbi people fought for protection of their land, because Assam government is not coming forward to protect our land. The Assam government headed by Himanto Biswa Sharma Dangoria, and also Central Home Minister Amit Shah Dangoria, and our Prime Minister Honorable Narendra Modi, they have not solved the boundary problem between Assam and Meghalaya in Karbi Anglong area. They have utilized the border problem as an instrument to make the Karbi people and Khasi people to fight against each other and to kill each other and to make themselves poor and backward. the Assam government and the government of India are using this border problem as an instrument to destroy us. The Assam police left out on that day. The Assam police left out their weapons in one place, kept in one place, and the weapons, the rifles and others were guarded by Meghalaya police. It means that the area is no more in Assam. That is the reason why Assam police did not take up their arms and fought against the Meghalaya police to protect Assam land and Assam land and Karbi land. To history, the Karbis and the Khasis were always good neighbors long ago, and we still have the monolith on the border that which shows that we were in good terms among ourselves. Now the Assam government, RSS, Bongo Senas, BJP, they are the people who are instigating and making us fight among ourselves, among the Khasis and Karbis. We therefore condemn it. That is border committee headed by one Agustin Hanse, is appointed by the council or Karbi Autonomous Council, and Border Protection Committee is already there. Assam police is there. Meghalaya police are also there. Therefore, I advise the Khasis and Khasipnars and the Karbi people to live there peacefully according to the advice of the Border Protection Committee of Assam and Border Protection Committee of Karbi Autonomous Council and the Assam Police and Meghalaya Police. The public must obey law and the rules and the guidance that has been given by the police and magistrates.
Pinilabang so kachisong panalong APHLC party may pu IS retire ja ay kathar singhason APHLC CC may pu sonasing hanse dipu LA may pu diori teron lumbajong CC amay pu David Kathar APHLC tiripi pen organizing secretary kursing timo APHLC women wing dun may pi sangpi risika milikpi dipen rongpi smarson teron Lapen singhason APHLC along klembang pu bang piatum chetongdu. Prenipai kre puarni Korkanthi BJP Mondol Committee tumpen Patur Piponsi Korkanthi MEC constituency ke parlo tekelang junaha waralong BJP kang dangamai kangni. Laswamayalong APHLC pen Congress pen bang parotrok sira ingkoy aratatum BJP along jepaogdun. Laswa BJP kang dangamayalong aluhiaman pen KAAC CEM Dr. Tuliram Ronghang, MLA Dorsing Ronghang, KAAC Chairman Raju Disu, EM MSC lapen BJP along klembang pubang piatum chetongdo. Korkanthi MEC constituency along BJP kang dangamay kang ni non pen pong poan dotanglo. Lapen kewang jarni potumia kemang pen ratatumaphan long lia pata sitami ron pon pupusi. KAAC CEM Dr. Tuliram Ronghang pen ningjepon.
Korkanthi mesti aji mai 5 bar man joining kartu situ aisa aji 757 aji APSRC leader Korkanthi terono nikita galia namra hai student leader hai aro APSRC leader आदिवासी या पूरी अपन आगे आस पास से हम चिंतन करा रात पूरा इंडिया के ना ये जो मानसिक कोटा pasti bawa orang. Awal pasti dia kami akan dunia karena sudah biasa kali kota pun mau dia itu dia
Lunse po Karlitang Jubin Gardalam ki pen kaching nang atum Siam Kanu Mahanta, Siddhartha Sharma, Sandipen Gart, Sikharjoti Marit, Prabhas Mahanta, Lapen Lunse po Karlitang Jubin Gart, Bodyguard Banghinya Tumaphan Raikom Saikia Tumpen Nep Ingnang Ponlo. Lapen Bang Po Tumaphan Kamrup Metropolitan District, Kodalong An Ponlo. Lapen Prinipai Krep Po Arni, Lunse po Karlitang Jubin Gart alam ki aputhak along pen kenep kangnang pon atumaphan so daga kangsai pivek nang jibupen lunse pu Karlitang Jubin Gart aphan ki kroi aradatum thurpaksi Baksa district jelalong ahiring tangrakpen chisong pondutlo Lasu ahut Raikom Saiki atum pen kaceteng kheng ahir kang tangajok Raikom Saiki atum ahem konglong lapen press atum ahem konglong ta mi kai ponchok si hokwai pachiplang derlo Laswa kachisong pon along pirangki klembang pu Raikom Saiki lapen kachisong pon arata tum ta ong dung atum aring hu supon lo. Kacit heng ahir kang tang ragajok luen order atum pen Baksa district jelalong anikang samapor munit bang po penaki ong chingrum long le pusi pangdak pon lo. Lason si Karlitang Lunse po Jubin Gart phan kedam nang jui aputhak ahok pet akang sai longvek nang jipupen Karbi Long Congress atum penta diphuarong supi a hithialong armu chejeng ponsi kachiki moa sai dengpon
Pinia Abirta lansi kang tonlo Kardom